Khlong Lat Mayom Floating Market is a charming and less touristy floating market located in Bangkok. It offers a unique experience where you can explore the market by boat, sample local food, and enjoy a relaxed atmosphere. Here are some of the key attractions and highlights of Khlong Lat Mayom Floating Market. Boat rides. One of the main attractions of the market is the opportunity to explore the canals and market area by boat. You can hire a long-tail boat and cruise along the canals, enjoying the scenic views of the local houses, lush greenery, and traditional Thai way of life. Local food and snacks. Khlong Lat Mayom Floating Market is known for its wide variety of local food and snacks. You can find an array of Thai dishes, including grilled seafood, noodle soups, curries, stir-fried dishes, fresh fruits, and desserts. It's a great place to try authentic Thai flavors and indulge in street food delicacies. Fresh produce and local products. The market offers a range of fresh produce, including fruits, vegetables, herbs, and spices. You can also find local products such as handmade crafts, souvenirs, traditional Thai clothing, and accessories. It's an ideal place to shop for unique items and support local artisans. Traditional Thai music and performances. Throughout the market, you may come across traditional Thai music performances, cultural dances, and live music. These performances add to the lively and festive atmosphere of the floating market. Relaxing riverside setting. Khlong Lat Mayom Floating Market is set along the banks of a canal, providing a picturesque and relaxing environment. You can sit by the water, enjoy the views, and soak in the tranquil ambiance while savoring delicious food. Cooking classes. Some vendors at the market offer cooking classes where you can learn how to prepare traditional Thai dishes. It's a great opportunity to get hands-on experience and learn the secrets of Thai cuisine from local experts. Local experience. Khlong Lat Mayom Floating Market provides a more local and authentic experience compared to the larger and more touristy floating markets. It offers an opportunity to interact with friendly locals, observe their way of life, and get a glimpse into traditional Thai culture. Visiting Khlong Lat Mayom Floating Market allows you to escape the crowds and immerse yourself in a more laid-back and local atmosphere. It's a great place to enjoy delicious food, experience the charm of the canals, and appreciate the beauty of rural Bangkok.